Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio graphic channel. For today I have this pine wood chair. I will show you how to create this design. For that I create the drawings. This is with the assembly process, with the measurements and the other parts that we need for the project. Remember, you can download in the first link of the description. Let's start a new design. Create here a new component. This is the part A. Select the front plane. Start to create the profile. Here. Same here. And here. Constrain the midpoint of that line to the center point. The first measurement is 260 millimeters. And this distance is 390 millimeters. The distance is 65 and the height is 400 millimeters. This height is 400. Constrain as a collinear this line to that line. This distance is 65. The same 65. And create here. Select the same measurement and divide by 2. That's aligned. You can create an arc with 3 points. Here and here. This radius is 130 millimeters. And now we can create 3 lines here. Align to the center, hold the shift, click on the center of the line. 125 millimeters, 16 millimeters, and this distance is 250. Extrude the profile with 15 millimeters and apply 8 times the fillet here on this edge. This one here, here, and here. 10 millimeters. The part A is concluded. Unhide this part, return to the main project, and create a new component, the part B. Repeat the process, the same plane. Create almost the same profile. Here, here, and here. Create a collinear. The midpoint on the center point. The height. This distance. Here and here. $390. The middle divided by 2. It's aligned. And 260. An arc with 3 points. The same radius, 130 millimeters. And now we can create 3 lines. This needs to be horizontal. The same gap, 16 millimeters, 125 millimeters, and align. Hold the shift, click on the middle of the line, and align with the center. The part B, and this distance is 250. We need to create here a point and apply 250 millimeters. Finish the sketch. The same extrude 15 millimeters and apply the fillet here, here, here. This point 10 millimeters. Hide this component, return to the main project, new component, this is the part C. Here on the top plane, create a rectangle by the center. Here on the drawing, we have the measurement that is 280 millimeters. And we need to extrude with 20 millimeters. 280, the same measurement, and extrude with 20 millimeters. And apply a radius of 10 millimeters. Here, here, and here, 10 millimeters. Hide this component, return to the main project. A new component that is the part D. Here on the drawing, it's 82 millimeters by 18 with 10 millimeters thickness. Another rectangle, 82 by 18 millimeters. E for extrude with 10 millimeters. Hide this component, return to the main project. Another component, part E, and repeat the process. The same plane. Here is 100 by 18. E for extrude with 10 millimeters. Return to the main project, right button, and show all components. Now the part C needs to be grounded, right button. We can click on Shift N to create a random colors. That is easier to identify the part. Now we need to assemble with 0.5 millimeters distance. The second joint is here. Flip the direction. Now we can repeat this process here on the circular pattern. Select component, select these two components, and the X is the Z, change for, and click OK. Now we can join this face with this center face, like that. And that one with that one. And click OK. Apply some color. Is fine. And here another one. And that one. And you can here change the scale, be more realistic. Shift N to return to the original color. And now the project is done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Think about to subscribe here to the channel. Give me a like button if you like this project, and see you in the next video.